a little bit or maybe know a lot, you know that Thai language we don't have tense. And of course, when we eat, we don't have eat, ate, eaten. We walk, we don't have walk, walk, walk. We don't have run, ran, run. But we say wing, wing, wing. So wing today, wing tomorrow, wing yesterday or day after tomorrow or today after tomorrow we also wing. And how do you know that it's past tense, present tense, future tense, or present continuous, or even present perfect tense? How do we know? And today, Kuya will talking about that for 1 hour. Oh, the topic. The topic is we talk about